Everyone. Today our lesson will be on solving simultaneous linear equations using the method of substitution. So let's solve this question. We have solve 2x minus 3y is equal to negative 8 and x plus 3y is equal to 14 simultaneously. So note that we are using the method of substitution. So solution. So we have our first equation to be 2x minus 3y is equal to negative 8. Let's call this equation 1. And then we have x plus 3y is equal to 14. Let's call this equation 2. So in the method of substitution, here you have to make x or y the subject from either equation 1 or equation 2. So you can choose to make x the subject from equation 1 or y the subject from equation 1 or x from equation 2 or y from equation 2. So let's make x the subject from equation 2. So making x the subject from equation 2, we have, so from equation 2, we have x plus 3y is equal to 14. Let's make x the subject. So we have x is equal to 14 minus 3y because 3y will cause the equal sign, or we will transpose 3y to the right hand side of the equation to become negative 3y. So now, let's call this equation 3. So equation 3. So now we will put equation 3 into equation 1. But you can't put equation 3 into equation 2 because equation 3 was derived from equation 2. We made x the subject from equation 2. So you can't put x, which is equal to 14 minus 3y, into equation 2 again. But instead, you can put it into equation 1. If we made x the subject from equation 1, then you put equation 3 into equation 2. And since it came from equation 2, you have to put equation 3 into equation 1. So putting equation 3 into equation 1, it means that from equation 1, where we find x, we write 14 minus 3y because x is equal to 14 minus 3y. So from equation 1, we have 2x, so x will be 14 minus 3y. So 2 times x, so 2 times 14 minus 3y minus 3y is equal to negative 8. So 2 times 14 we have 28 minus 2 times 3y we have 6y minus 3y is equal to negative 8. So 28 here, negative 3y, negative 6y minus 3y, you have negative 9y is equal to negative 8. So let's transpose negative 9y to the right hand side and then transpose negative 8 to the left hand side. So we have 28. When you transpose negative 8 to the left hand side, it becomes positive 8. It's equal to, let's transpose negative 9y to the right hand side to become 9y. Now 28 plus 8 gives us 36. It's equal to 9y. We want the value of y, so let's divide both sides by 9. So now 9 cancels 9. 9 goes to this other one, goes to 36 4 times. So 4 is equal to y. Therefore, y is equal to 4. So now the value of y is 4. We can put this value of y into any of the equations, be it equation 1, equation 2, or equation 3, to find the value of x. So let's put y is equal to 4 into equation 3 and see. So from equation 3, we have x is equal to 14 minus 3. So y will be 4 because we are putting y is equal to 4 into equation 3. In equation 3, we have x is equal to 4t minus 3y, and y is 4. So 3 times 4. So x is equal to 4t minus 3 times 4 gives us 12. Then x is equal to 2. So the value of x here is 2. We can also put the value of y into equation 1 or equation 2 to find the value of x. So let's try and see if we get the value of x to be 2. So let's put y equal to 4 into equation 1 and see. So from equation 1, we have 2x minus 3y. So y will be 4 is equal to negative 8. So 2x minus 3 times 4 gives us 12 is equal to negative 8. Now 2x is equal to, so negative 8. When you transpose negative 12 to the right hand side, it becomes positive 12. Now we have 2x is equal to negative 8 plus 12 gives us 4. Now divide both sides by 2. You have x is equal to 2. So now the value of x here is also 2. So it means that you can put the value of y into any of the equations to solve for the value of x. So this is how to solve questions on simultaneous linear equations using the method of substitution. Let's solve our next question. So our next question, we have 2x plus 5y is equal to 11, and then 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. Let's call this equation 1 and this equation 2. So we can make x or y the subject from either equation 1 or equation 2. So let's make y the subject from equation 1. So making y the subject from equation 1. So equation 1, we have 2x plus 5y is equal to 11. So making y the subject, you have 5y is equal to 11 minus 2x. And then y is equal to 11 minus 2x over 5. Let's call this equation 3. So we will put equation 3 into equation 2. Because we made y as subject from equation 1. So you can't put it back into equation 1. But you can put it into equation 2. So put equation 3 into equation 2. So now we have, so this means that from equation 2, wherever you find y, you write 11 minus 2x over 5. So you have 3x plus 4, y will be 11 minus 2x over 5 is equal to 10. So now you have 3x plus, so 4 times 11 gives us 44 minus 4 times 2x gives us 8x all over 5 is equal to 10. So now the LCM is 5. So let's multiply each term by 5. So we have 5 times 3x plus 5 times 44 minus 8x over 5 is equal to 5 times 10. So 5 cancels 5. Now you have 5 3, 15x plus 44 minus 8x is equal to 5 10, 50. So now we have 15x minus 8x. 15x minus 8x is equal to 50 minus 44. When you transpose 44 to the right hand side, it becomes negative 44. So now 8x plus 15x minus 8x, you have 7x is equal to 50 minus 54, you have 6. Now we have here over 7, here to 7. 7 cancels 7, you have x is equal to 6 over 7. So now you can put x is equal to 6 over 7 into either equation 1, equation 2 or equation 3 to find the value of y. So let's put x is equal to 6 over 7 into equation 3. Y is equal to 11 minus 2, so x it will be 6 over 7. So we have 6 over 7 all over 5. So now let's continue from here. Let's solve for y. So y is equal to 11 minus, so 2 times 6 gives us 12 over 7 all over 5. So here we have y is equal to 11 minus 2, 12 over 7, 12 over 7 divided by, so this whole thing divided by 5. So now this 11 is over 1. So you have the LCM of this to be 7. So 1 goes to 7 times. So 7 times 11, 77 minus 7 goes to 7 one time. Then 1 times 12, you have 12 divided by 5. So now y is equal to 77 minus 12. So 7 minus 2 you have 5, and then 7 minus 1 you have 6 over 7. So here the sign will change to times. Then you have to reciprocate 5 over 1 to give us 1 over 5. So now 65 times 1 will give us, so now 65 times 1 gives us 65, and then 7 times 5 gives us 35. So y is equal to 5 goes into 65. So here 5 goes to 6 one time, we minus 1, 15, so 3. You have 13 here, and here you have 7. So now you have 13 over 7 as the value of y. So now this is how to solve simultaneous linear equations using the substitution method. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment on anything that you don't understand. Let's have our assignments. So we have these as our assignments. Try your hands on these questions and then send your answers or write